All right, this video is going to walk you through how to create and construct a regular hexagon given radius r, where your radius will be this distance that you see right here. There are two ways I want you to think about this. One way is making 3 circles horizontally, or the other option will be drawing 1 circle and marking the radius around the circumference of the circle. I'll show you both ways. Both of them I like. They're kind of fun to make too, so hopefully you'll enjoy this as well. So first of all, you need to draw the diameter in first with a straight edge. So you'll start right here. We're going to make a center of a circle like this, and then we're going to use this as kind of our baseline for making the diameter of our circle. Now that's longer than what the actual diameter is going to be, but you take your compass and measure the radius as you see here. Now we're going to take our compass and draw in our circle, and hopefully it actually reaches. I thought it was too big, but it's actually pretty good. You're going to draw in your circle with the radius r. It actually worked out just right. And then you have a circle that incorporates this blue line as your diameter, but now I need to adjust it so I can use the coordinates of where they actually intersect with the circle, right there and right there. Now, if you're going to do the idea of 3 horizontal circles like this, you take your compass and don't change it. We're going to take the radius again and make another set of circles. So we got 3 horizontal circles is the general thinking I want you to do. I'll try to draw a lighter over there so I don't cross those up too much. And that's that side. Now, unfortunately, I won't fit the other one on, but that's okay. We're going to go to this side now and draw our other horizontal circle on this side. We'll just get on there as much as you can fit. So then it goes off, comes back on. So there's your 3 horizontal circles. Now, the points of where these 3 circles all intersect, what you're essentially making is a hexagon that's regular, because all of these distances that you're going to see here in a moment are all the same distance apart. This distance from here to here is the same. This distance from here to here is the same. And what you're looking at then eventually is a hexagon. I will trace it out now with my straight edge here, and you'll start to see it come to life here. So let me just draw these vertices together. There's that. And then there's this one. There's this one. Getting there here. This is a little bit, I have to go kind of quick here as best I can here. And then you now see the whole hexagon being formed from 3 horizontal circles. Whoops, I go this way. And then, if you were looking at it as a polygon broken up into different pie pieces, you could draw those in too, but they're all going to be equilateral triangles, and that's what you're essentially making here. So 3 horizontal triangles or circles is one way. The other way, this is kind of fun too, you take your radius and you create your circle off of that one point, like this. So I go around my circle like this, just draw a circle. Maybe you think this is going to be easier, possibly. Draw a circle around your given point that you're working with, and then if you want your hexagon to have all the same size, it's like, you notice how this distance right here is the same distance as this right here? I can take the radius that I used to do this central circle right here, and I'm going to just go around the edge and mark it. I'm going to, first of all, make a mark to start from. It does not matter where you start. Let's say I start right there. And then put your sharp tip on there, and you're just going to make markings around the circle. So there's my first mark. Transfer your sharp edge to the next new mark you make. And this is basically creating the equilateral triangles again, just a little different way of doing it. As you finish doing this, you should make a total of 6 of these marks before you get back to the beginning. And hopefully if you do it right and didn't move your compass, your last one should go, pretty close through your starting point. And then those 6 markings of where the radius was drawn around each of these different circles, edges, you're going to then also get your hexagon by this method. So marking a spot on the circle and then using that radius to move your way around the circle also will get you to end up with a regular hexagon. I'll finish drawing this out, and hopefully you can see that it is possible 2 different ways to get the same result. Let me just finish this up because I like the artwork going on with this as well. Looks really nice, and hopefully you enjoyed making yours as well. Hopefully this video helps. Either make 3 horizontal circles like we did here, or 1 circle with marks made around the edge, and either way, you get the same kind of result. Good luck, and hopefully this video helps.